Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Kamalia. So today I will be presenting paper on the multifaceted role of Muslim counsellors in addressing premarital sex, a systematic literature review. As an introduction, the objective of this paper is to provide a comprehensive review of the existing literature on the role of counsellors in addressing premarital sex, with a focus on identifying effective strategies and theoretical frameworks. We are going to talk about how counsellors handling the issues on premarital sex. As the literature review, we have compiled a few as stated in the slide. We have a few approaches as the counsellors use. One is a CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, very famous, is frequently utilized due to its effectiveness in addressing the cognitive distortion and maladaptive behaviors associated with premarital sexual activities. This CBT works is by helping clients reframe their thought and develop healthier coping mechanism. And the second is the person-centered approach, which emphasizes on empathy and unconditional positive regard. It helps clients feel more understood and valued, which is particularly important for individuals who may feel ashamed or stigmatized due to their premarital sexual activities. Third one is the narrative therapy framework. It illustrates how this narrative therapy can be used to reframe client experience with premarital sex and helping them to see their action as part of broader life story that includes growth and learning. And the fourth one is Islamic counseling, which integrate religious teaching and seeking, including such as taubah, istighfar, it's into the therapeutic process, and also discussing the effectiveness of this approach, aligning with the counseling process. And the fifth one is solution-focused brief therapy. Emphasize on the solution and future outcomes rather than the problem and past experience. It helps client to have positive changes in the behavior. So by integrating all these 5 methods, counselor can offer more comprehensive and effective support to their clients, ultimately promoting healthier and more responsible sexual behavior. Methodology was guided by the PRISMA statement, preferred reporting item for systematic review and meta-analysis. As for conclusion and recommendation, despite these positive findings, there are still gaps in the research that need to be addressed. For instance, more study are needed to explore the differential impact of various counselling approach on diverse demographic groups. Nguyen and Lee suggested that while CBT and motivational interviewing are effective, their outcome can vary significantly based on the cultural and socio-economic background of the client itself. As the study is conducted in a predominantly Muslim country, it is important to approach the topic from an Islamic perspective. Marriage is considered a fundamental means to prevent zina. Therefore, there is a need for more research paper on this subject. Besides Taubah, we are making research on marriage considered as a fundamental means to prevent zina. Sekian. Assalamualaikum.